Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your eBay gift card or use your eBay gift card to buy anything on eBay. So for those people who do not know what eBay is the world's biggest retail store where you guys can sell and buy stuff, alright? So you can buy secondhand stuff, sell secondhand stuff, and you can also buy new stuff over here, alright? Not just secondhand stuff. So let me show you guys how you guys can use eBay gift card if you have it. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, because How to Guide is the channel where we post tutorial videos just like this. First step, you come to the official website of eBay, which is ebay.com, and log in into your account. Once you do that, you need to buy anything, alright? So just for today's video example, I'm just gonna go with sneakers over here and I'm gonna buy a random shoe. You don't have to buy the one which I buy, you can buy any random one you want, alright? So over here, if I want to buy this shoes over here, I can click on where it says buy it now, and it's going to take me to my checkout room over here. So wait for some time. Now, once I'm over here, I can scroll a bit down, and where it says enter code, I can enter my gift card's code over here and click on apply. And if the code I entered over here is correct, then the gift card code should be applied. Now remember, this shoes is going to cost me $250 plus delivery charge. So it's going to be around $300, all right? So let's say my gift card is worth $500. If I click on apply, then only $300 from that gift card is going to be used. The other $200, I can use it whenever I want on my next purchase, all right? But if the gift card I have is only worth $200, then the total purchase is going to be of $300, right? Then only $200 is going to be paid. The other $100, I need to pay it myself. And for that, I can use any payment method over here. All these payment method, I got to choose one and add that extra $100. Then only the shoe is going to be bought. So you need to keep that in mind, all right? And remember to check if your gift card is expired or not. Some people have complained like they entered their code over here, but it didn't, redeem. Basically, either you entered a wrong code, or either you have entered a code which has already been used, or either the gift card has expired. So you need to keep that in mind as well, all right? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can, use your eBay gift card. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.